Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable screen lock in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to lock screen option. After that go to screen lock type. Now from here you have to type your current pin or pattern. And that's it. Now here you can see three options: pin, password, pattern, swipe and none. If you want to disable or turn off your screen lock, you have to select swipe or none from here. If I select swipe, then tap on remove data. Then tap on remove again to confirm it. And it's done. Now if I lock my device and then double tap to unlock, and you can see there are no security or screen lock in my phone. You can also choose none from here. Just go to same settings again and then select none and then lock your device and then double tap to unlock, and that's it. You can see there are no screen lock in my phone. And that is how you can disable screen lock in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.